So you were saying that you guys are about to have a sale coming?
We're going to have a sale, start a season sale in August.
Okay.
So what we're going to offer for the Way We Hunt viewers and all of your fans is early access to the sale.
Because it's like July 6th right now when we're filming.
Yes, yes.
So when this comes out, it'll be early next week. I guess it depends on Ryan's computer skills.
Yep, and weather and...
Computer skills and weather. And then as soon as the video goes live, the discount code will go live. Look in the description for that because I don't know what it is yet.
We haven't made it up yet.
Yeah, it has not been made yet. This is just talking now, but it's gonna be real.
So you guys are giving us early access to this sale.
Absolutely.
Which is awesome for y'all.
Yes, yes. So you're gonna get kind of when the video comes out to the end of July to have early access to the sale before anyone else has it.
Yeah.
So your viewers will get that.
Awesome. So you guys better jump on it before anybody else does, because you guys sell out pretty quick.
We do sell out, especially of the full feeder things. So
and when sales are going on,
things can go kind of fast.
Yes.
Yeah. So early access is a great benefit for you guys. Absolutely.
And is this going to be a sale on everything or something specific?
It's going to be a site-wide sale.
Awesome. So everything.
Everything. Yes. There may be some limitations. Look at the fine print.
It's like, yeah, no, wait.
I know, I'm backtracking. I'm backtracking. You can't buy out our stock of blinds. I know some of y'all were thinking it.
But
like, aside
you
from
said
that,
everything.
I did say everything. I guess I can't take it back. So go buy all our blinds. I'll appreciate it. But yeah, we're going to give you guys that.
Awesome. Well, we appreciate it. I know you guys appreciate it. So we're going to do some more stuff around here and then load up and head back. Hey y'all, we're back in Oklahoma. We just got back from San Antonio, Texas, where we went down and met with our friends at Spintech. And while we were there, picking up some products for ourselves, they very graciously gave us a gift that we can give to y'all, our subscribers, on the Way We Hunt. But how are they gonna do it?
So first, let's tell them what it is.
Oh.
Ta-da! So, hey guys, this is basically the Spintech 12 volt upgrade kit for a road feeder. If you already have an existing road feeder, pretty much any brand, or a homemade hopper, or a 55-gallon drum that you use to feed your roads, corn your roads, or whatever, this is an upgrade kit for it. This is the 12 volt spinner mechanism. Comes with everything you need. Comes with the 25-foot power cord. Basically, you run this from the feeder mechanism back to the cab of your tractor, your truck, your ATV, or whatever, and super easy to thumb operate. Makes feeding corn on the roads crazy easy. You're not wasting a bunch of corn just by turning it on and then just driving and having to get out and turn it off. So got a remote control for you. Also have the actual spinner mechanism. So the thing's built like a tank. Basically it's going to mount up underneath your hopper just like that. 4 bolts right on top right there. Super easy to mount. This thing is bulletproof. We've tested a couple of them.
It's heavy. It's solid.
Yeah, it's solid. It's once again the Spintech technology. So pretty much raccoon and environment proof, wind proof, rain proof, all that stuff. You've seen our other videos how they work. So major upgrade for your existing road hopper. I think these cost $107 or $105 maybe, something like that.
Yeah, 105.
Anyway, so to be entered, like this video, comment below on why you think you should get it, and then you got to share it. We're going to run this till basically the 1st of August, and then we're going to pick a winner. Random pick. So make sure you get entered to win that free upgrade to your road feeder, courtesy of Spintech and us.
Also subscribe. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. You should already be subscribed, but in case you're not, subscribe, like, comment, share the video. And then also while we were there, they gave us a discount code because they're gonna start a sale, what, August 1st?
August 1st.
Yes. So we exclusively are getting a discount code to give to y'all so that you can jump on the sale before anybody else can.
Yep. So early access to the Spintech sale. The code is WayWeHunt21.
21.
That's WayWeHunt. The number's 21. It's going to give you 10% off any of the 6 volt or the 12 volt feeder bundle kits. Basically what that's going to include is a big 12 volt feeder or 6 volt feeder just like you saw below, except it's the entire box. It's the battery, it's the controller, and it's the solar panel. So everything you need to just get a 55-gallon drum or an existing feeder and convert it to a Spintech system. And those are kind of pricey. They run them, I think the 12 volts about $175. So it's good for 10% off either the 12 volt or the 6 volt. And like I said, you guys have early access to the sale because their site-wide sale starts August 1st.
Yep, and they sell out very quickly, so.
Yeah, jump on that now.
Yes.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. Just kind of a quick video to give you all some updates. We appreciate it. Come back, let us know how we're doing. See y'all later.